I'm ripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Alex Ride 254. You tune in for another one. Just trying to find this damn. I don't know where I put my goddamn phone at. Pull up on me. Pull up on me. Alright, y'all. I found my phone. So yeah, man, you know, we was talking about repurposing the GoPros and stuff since we done bought a gimbal and I think that's what we was talking about last video or whatever. So anyway, I was digging and I found the stuff. This is actually in the trunk of the Caprice. So basically what it is a suction cup sold by GoPro that will put pretty much it'll put the camera pretty much on the side of the vehicle. The way you install it, you press that against the truck, press that against the truck, and then you push up on the thing. And as you can see, not going nowhere. Of course, I will definitely put that shit on with both hands before I drive the fuck off. But in theory, that's how it works. Let me get it turned around and put on there with two hands. Alright, so we back. We got it on there. Looks to be pretty secure. I mean, of course, you're always kind of sketchy about putting a couple $100 camera just attaching to the outside of the vehicle. Here you can kind of adjust like the angle. I guess I would kind of want to get like some of the wheel and the ground, but also kind of forward. Let me see, POV is wide. Oh, that's the only one. I used to have an app on my phone where I could control the GoPro, but I don't think I have it no more, or not right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just hit the record button and hope this shit don't fall off. And because there's this video going around the internet where this dude got out, he was ghost riding his fucking truck, and then his fucking foot got stuck up on the back of that shit, and it ran him over and slammed him to the ground. So me, I'm kind of like, well, fuck, what if it falls off and then it rolls off and goes up under the tire? But pretty tried and true method, man. A lot of people have done it before me, after me. I'm gonna have to buy another one of these suction cups for like the other side or whatever. When my boy went to the track at Whip Fest, man, I was like, fuck, why I don't have I wish I would have had like a GoPro. Like, I didn't have this. I had a dig for it, but I wish I would have had this set up so that I could have threw one on his fucking car. You know what I'm saying? You know, we're trying to upgrade, get some more footage. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna record and here we go. Alright, so here inside the truck, as you can see, I got a good positive idea on it. So I mean, if it come off in the middle of the road, I can't do shit. I can't do shit, but watch it fall and hope that it ain't totally destroyed. So let's switch over to that footage now and cut you back on.